Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day. My name is Ingrida. If you don't know me yet, I usually post makeup beauty related reviews and tutorials using those products or just tutorials as in this video. I do post way much more on my Instagram. If you haven't checked this out yet, go and check it out and give a follow if you can. I post daily on my stories and on my feed usually. Yeah, so this video I decided to do a bit of a Halloweenish look. I'm not a big fan of Halloween in general. I spoke in my previous video about it. Why? If you see my previous video, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But in this video, I thought, you know what? Why not to create a glam clown look? And the idea for that I got from so many pictures that I've seen scrolling through my Instagram of a pink glam clown with, you know, all the jewels and everything. So we're gonna be using jewels in this video because why not? I mean, this year being pretty miserable for everyone, I guess. So I thought, why not to brighten up a day with some jewels and, you know, glitter and sparkles. Like, why not? By the way, what do you guys think of my pink hair? I literally did this today. It's not a hair dye or anything. I just came up with this idea. I actually used the blush palette for that. It's like totally washable. Plus, it's a nice idea to check out if you suit the color, you know. I might do a video if you guys want to how I did this. So as you see, I have my base ready already. I mean, I have the foundation, setting powder, and a little bit of contour. I haven't added yet the blush because I wanna blush a bit more for this look. So I'm gonna use for that NYX Sweet Cheeks palette, and I'm gonna go with this lovely shades. I'm gonna mix these two together for my blush. Don't be scared to go like heavy-handed with this look because with a blush on it. Because we're gonna do pink like lime clown, so it's extra pink. So I'm going with this to my forehead as well, because I want this to be a bit extra pink. To the hairline a bit, you know, kind of like contouring with this pink blush a bit. So I'm gonna go and apply highlighter straight away now. For today's highlighter, I chose the Revolution Reloaded Just My Type highlighter. I'm going with like extra highlighter, extra blush. It's just because it's a Halloween look. Like I wouldn't go normal with that, obviously. Like I'm sure you guys know that, right? So for the eyeshadow look today, I chose the Revolution Red Alert palette as it has loads of like pink shades. I think this palette is super affordable too. It's like $5. Taking a shading brush and the super bright pink shade, I'm gonna go all over my palette. Next I'm taking this peachy shimmery shade. I'm gonna go in the eye corner, just brightening it up in the eye corner, dragging it slightly to the middle. Taking the same brush I used before and just blending the shades so there's no obvious line. Alright, next we is to apply a bit of mascara and then some falsies, and then we can do clown part. So I want to finish the eyes first. So for mascara today I'm using Under Eyes LIFTSCARA by NYX. Just gonna go with like super light layer as I'm gonna apply falsies. For falsies I'm gonna go with magnetic ones. This is the easiest way to apply because I want to do only the like outer corner. Alright, so mascara is on and I added a little bit of the NYX Epic Ink eyeliner as well, just a super thin line close to the lash line just to disguise the falsies. Going for my favorite magnetic eyelashes. These ones are by ARDELL Magnetic Accents, so they sit just on the outer corners. You can skip the falsies part, you can just go with your natural lashes. I like the fair guys, literally. pulses are on, this is where the fun part starts. Coming back to this palette, the Revolution Reloaded Red Alert, and we're gonna go straight away with this super bright pink shade that we used already. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna draw the lines to here like this on both sides. We're gonna start from the outer corner of the lips. Later we're gonna apply the lipstick, but first I wanna do this, you know, cheeks part. Kind of marking myself where I wanna go now. It's gonna be under the eyes, like middle of the. I don't even know how to call this. Taking the same shade, I'm gonna do like a triangles in here on top of the brow basically. Next what I'm doing, I'm taking this like dark purplish shade kinda. I'm gonna take a smaller brush and I'm gonna go on the top of this line in the middle and later blend it, and the same in this triangles. As you see, with this one, I'm going more in the middle of this line just to give it a dimension, and then all over lower lash line, close to the lash line. The same I'm doing on this triangle, starting close to the brow. See? And then blending this up. I'm keeping inside this pink, or like just in the middle of this pink triangle. I'm not going all over it, just in the middle of it. Alright, this part is done. So for lippy today, I'm gonna use the NYX Powder Puff in Moody. So for this lippy, I'm gonna use the lip brush as I want it to be more precise. Now because it's a clown look, I'm gonna overdraw my lips slightly a bit out. Alright, lipstick is on. We're just gonna do nose and then we can do this jewels. So for the nose, I'm gonna go with a smaller brush. I'm gonna do like a round thing, you know, like a clown would have. So I'm just gonna take this pink shade, just going in the middle of this, like a clown nose, you know. I'm just going kinda circles. Get a darker shade with the same brush. Gonna go like edges of the shade. In this shade, I'm gonna just dot in the middle. To stick the jewels on, I'm gonna use a lash glue. I have the different size, like little diamantes, little pearls, and then this little bag of like mixed jewels, little diamantes, different colors. I like that it has pink, so I'm gonna use some pink ones, and then I'm gonna add some this like white kind of diamantes and pearls. I'm just gonna randomly apply the jewels on this line where we did this, you know, smile part in this triangles. You can stick it any way you wish. I'm gonna add a little bit of the diamantes and pearls in here, in this part as well. So we're done with jewels. I was going totally randomly. I wasn't, you know, matching completely both sides or anything. So next thing I'm doing, I'm just taking a black pencil by NYX. Mascara, coming back to the same one. we're nearly done. I think we should add a little bit glitter, like shimmer on the lips, because now it kind of feels imbalanced. I'm gonna use this NYX Shimmer Down Press pigment. And we're done. What do you guys think? Yeah, so what do you guys think of this makeup look? As you've seen, that was super easy to create. This is like a child's play. There's no much blending or anything going on. The hardest part was literally to apply jewels, and that was super easy because we just glued it on. I would recommend to go for bigger jewels, as it's way much easier and faster to apply than the smaller ones, because smaller ones takes a bit more, you know, precision. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial and you found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. I feel like I'm saying this every time because it's so super important if you press that button to subscribe. And if you're gonna go and recreate this look, please tag me in your pictures, as I would love to see those. Honestly, makes my heart so happy when you tag me in your pictures when you recreate my makeup looks. Yeah, thank you for that. Yeah, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this look and what you'd like to see next up on my channel. And I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Have an amazing day, guys. Ciao.